finally in grade 10. Noma Sektwani, this year is my year. My BFF Sihle and I, we are going to do big things. Oh, umalume no babami are at it again. Same fights, different days.
Sebenzi, awuthini la endlini into yaziyo uqeda ipaloni yabantwana ha lapho.
Akunapaloni engiyiqedayo lana ngidla ngani ipaloni ngoba uyamuthi akunamaziko. Nala bakhona ayaxeka.
Manje ushuda ukuthi phela ngalokho. Itazi ukuthi isinkwa singaka uyi1 so lo one man.
Hayi bakuthi wena ubheka uqhalile.
Ay umama bengazingeni because yena she clearly had problems of her own. Wahluleka ukuthola somebody who could assist her with her growing sewing business.
French. Me.
Yo, Danky Kolos Yavula, but even if it means I need to face Cruella December again.
Welcome to my world, my life, my family, my friends. My highs, my lows, my ups, my downs, my future, who knows? My dad, pretty laid back. Oh, mama want me always on my case. My sister, pain in the there's a messy badela. My girl, teacher, Puna, Modella. Who's gonna choice? They come with the package. Issue young corner. A JJ, love my life. This is my story. This is my diary. This is how it goes. Sunday is diary.
Njabulile isikolo sivuliwe ne?
Baba bengajabula kakhulu if benginama textbook.
How so practical textbook? Unola chalete must know what must happen.
Yeah, makunento nyana ngibhizi ngazo baby. Lapha kunombuba ngithi.
Hayi umbubu uqeda amapaloni. Manje usedla nama textbook futhi.
The textbook.
No man love umreje lo lenzansi. Lonkololo. So imali uzoletha bese ngivala wonke amathasha apha ngawani.
How? Kubani nginaksa create touch of money,
Good luck with that. Ngisho nami ngithola imali yokhera.
Thandeka kuthwele ngwaneni. Sweetheart, usanzana ngole munyane for tech shop akhe?
Mewa posha.
Oh. Ha ke mewa poshia. Thank you.
Makoti. Wayengena bhekoni la.
Okay.
Manje udoktor uthenga ibhekoni. Uze ngibe sharp.
Mbuye wathi.
Bacon. Solo doctor akuthengela igrocery. Bese akunikeza nomsebenzi.
Hayi balo.
Umuntu uzasithuka usithika kancane ngegeneration. Ngibeka ngisho nokarabo la endlini. Ngingedwa madoda. Hayi ukarabo.
Phela abantu yaziyo ke le. TV nokudla. Abantu yaziyo.
Hayi wena bheki. Ungazozenza ngcono la. Ngoba nakho ulungisana negrep engasenesakho.
Kwini nje ngizofuna umsebenzi. Lo uhleli lana. Baba udla mina, ugqoka mina, uhleli kwani? Hawu.
Kwakho.
Kwakho.
Ndoda nami ukuthi mina lana ngesilungu bathi family house ngitshele.
Singisa family house lalela baba. Le ndlu ke kamlungu, umlungu enika ubaba. Ubaba wenika mina njengela spawn. So ngi-inheritile le ndlu mina.
Uqhathe kuthusa. Ngesilungunyana sakho sethu senhle.
Bube. Ngithesibone ekhaya. Emva kwakho uzitom food. Emva kwatom food ududu. Bonke bashona. Ufana naye washona. Wena umntana maroshona. UNkulunkulu uthatha lo muntu manawo.
Yabona lalela. Ungazokhuluma ngamadlozi kanjani?
Amadlozwane.
Labantu bangibhekile man.
Bakubheka ukuthi wenzani? Uzophuzana nekhontini awujayi.
Wena ngantshebela. Please kale kopha. Ngantwa lona listen kanza. Ngale interview.
Kodwa ngiphuza ngamabhakede. Asuka.
Bakade kukhona iklasi nyane
Pause. Please, pause.
Madoda umuntu angaboni nokarabo.
Pause again mo.
Yabona nomuzi lo.
So, I thought, there it is. Hello, stepdaddy. Bahlukana, Shobi, can you believe it? Bahamba nale Durban trip yethu. So bengisele ekhaya nogogo ngasabhorika.
Well, at least when I watch how more.
Kanti wena wenzeni?
Well, I read the Harry Potter series, and then I read A Murder in the Valley by Stephen King, Ngafuna Near Vampire Diaries trilogy. The movie was way off the book, though. Yeah.
So your holiday was really boring. Got it.
Well, I had to shout out my rowdy family somehow. Sihle!
Yeah, family.
Sihle wangishiya. How? Bengifuna ukutshela ukuthi uyamkhumbula uSigo.
Lo nyapelo was next door. Yeah.
Besingalali ngaye. Every night is the same song. Kuze kuse.
Hi, Joey, that's my dad. To the left, to the right. Goose.
Okay. Winnie Kumano nentethe yakhe. I totally wish I did that.
I mean, really? Usalahlekela engqondweni manje? That's so weird.
The only thing weird ile hairstyle yakho.
Riga, Mamrubi. Wena uthandeka awungitshele stars. Uza esikolweni noma mhlambe uya ku church choir. Show me. Soprano. Oh, God.
So great to be back at school.
Whoopee!
Okay, nkgono ke temo expressang teng ke masela a ka mona, and then mona teng ke temo magic o etsahalang teng. Ro ka ntho tse so. Eh? Tse so, tse nice. Okay, ke na nkgono. Go bo dule fatshe. A go ntlhalosetse hanyane he nkgono ka wena gore motho a jwang.
Wena nkgono. Ke sa le monyane hampe o ba mmao. Ke Josephine.
Sorry, mme. I mean Josephine. Josephine, go bon just ka experience.
Mosebetsi wa ka wa qala ke le sebetsa harvest sage. Ro ka dikhaki tsa maburu. Wa bobedi ka le sebetsa ga patela. Ke re ro ka dikhetse tsena tsa mehlolo. Kore dikhetse tsa maemo.
Yeah.
Di disari. Oh. Achi, ha wa lo boraro wena. Ine le Sara. A ka sebetsa le sebaka se stelo ho yena. A ke rale lona batho ba batho le a tshwana. Kgwebo ya lehlomo.
Le nna ke motho e motsho.
Ke a tseba. Mara I hope wena o ke ba tshwana le bona. Wena ke a bona go etsa ntho se ngwana.
Okay. Ke a leboha nkgono. Don't call me, I'll call you.
How? How sa nketsa le tia
Nako nkgono. Sure. Ke a leboha nkgono. I've been Josephina. Come here.
This is my story. This is my diary. This is how it goes. It's a nigga's diary.
Patricia Abrahams,
Present, sir. As you can see me.
December Dlamini,
It's D, sir, and present.
Yo, Ghost, I'm in the same class as Cruella December. Why?
Present, sir.
Gift Masuku.
Absent, sir.
It's not funny.
Sorry, sir.
Jabulani John Sitole.
Present, sir.
Oh my gosh. Ngiyabonga Nkosi. Ngiseklasini li-1 no JJ. They can say that we will never last, but that love won't change my life. They can try. That's me, sir.
I know that.
Definitely absent.
Please give us a break from the dating this year, okay?
Ish, yo, first day of school and sing a joke.
Ay.
Beg. Imancane mfethu. Yini? Asikhulume mfethu, asikhulume.
What's
Yazi uthini mfethu? Ngiyangabona ukuthi ngiyavilapha kancane yabona.
Kancane. Kancane.
Okay, ngivilapha kakhulu ke kodwa ngenze something ngalokho yabona.
Wenzeni?
Ukuthi yakufika mntaka ma. Emva kokuthi ngibonile ukuthi ngibhizi ngiqeda amapaloni ey'ngane namajusi ey'ngane yonke le nto ngabona ukuthi okungcono ngifune something yabona ngisebenze nami
Usebenze?
ya mfowethu
Kanjani?
ya ngithi ngiye ngenza i-phone call yabona
Phone call?
ngafona
Awuna-airtime.
ngilebha izomfana lo obhema into zakhe lohlala e-next door
Ulipha i-airtime kuScore?
ya yena lowo yabona ngingabafonela base bangithembisa ukuthi bazokunikeza isitifiketi sokuthi ngibe yi-security yabona ngisebenze
Wena manje ngisiza ngani mina?
mfethu angithi ungizame nje ngo-50 rand ukuthi ngikwazi ukuthi
50 rand kuphela.
well no-20 rand okugibela ngithi kuyagijelwa
So ufuna 70 rand masimashi.
no-10 rand ukuthi ngithenge i-cold drink ngithole nama-peanuts ngihlafuhlafune mfowethu
Uyomaketha awufuna ukuhlafuna. Uvuthela uhlafuna njalo wena.
mntakama mfowethu
Ngizokunikeza kodwa hayi mbubayi. Ngeke ukugibela nale 50 rand yakhona ake kunyayi.
cheers.
One of the most beautiful, perfect, just absolutely intricately gorgeous part of the female anatomy is the female breast. Now, if you look here, all the ducts and the mammary glands lie directly behind the surface. Right here, behind the surface of the female breast. We all have them.
Yes, ma'am, but some smaller than others. Hashtag Tade.
Siyabonga December.
I wena bengakhulumi nawe double D or is it double E?
People, settle down. Let's focus on the breast. We're focusing on the breast here, okay? Look here at the ducts. All right, people. I need you to finish the worksheet. I need you to read the textbook. All right, can you do that? Sanjay, can I see you?
Bye, ma'am.
Bye. Have a good one. Don't mind me. Just my sugar levels. I need to have some every half an hour. Okay, it's only supposed to be once a week, but every rule has an exception. Don't judge.
I'm not judging you.
The reason I want to talk to you is about the upcoming biology expo.
Okay.
I think you could do really, really well. But the entrance fee is 850 rand.
Really?
But first, I'm going to need you to pay for your textbooks, okay?
Okay, ma'am, I'll speak to my parents.
Great stuff, love.
Thank you.
You want some?
Oh, no, thank you, ma'am. Thank you. Have a good day.
Thanks, you too. You don't know what you're missing. Bye, sweetheart.
Ausi, e le go tlo roka jwang ka letsole ke ntseng gapsa?
Hayi, mina ngikhola fast sho ungawari yaso. Mina ngintombi omzulu. Ngikutshela ukuthi kusasa ekseni zabe ngilimuva so. Ungawari yaso. Yaphuma ingwazi.
And then experience?
Mina ngiyibhoza shem. Yabona nasemadadeni ekhaya bebangibiza uQueen of Buttons. Bebangibiza uNkino.
Okay, I see.
Yazi bengizokubonisa ndaba ukuthi bangibhandishile.
What I think I'll do now. Oh, sorry, Claire.
Indoda yami ubanyana.
Yeah?
Uyaphulana.
Yeah.
Jabula 3 months ago. Bukuyinyanga. Manje sokwisandla. Next time somphula umqondo.
Usikupha bathele police station ulotholisa bhonyondo. Hayi.
Ukusho ukuthi angithola ngomsebenzi. Kanti wayibonye ungahlangani bulasi into every time. Sizofuna umuntu oshanyela.
Hayi next kisho
into washayo.
Hayi right.
Yena ufana nobhonyondo.
Dula fast.
Thank you.
Utlile interview. Voice how e le go tshwa ke flu.
Nka ntsongo Steve.
Okay. experience roka a o se le ga o tsebe bua ona voice voice ye ke a e tseba voice ke a re so kopane hai man mahlona ke a tsebana mahlo hai la so tshweng mahlo mahlona ke a go kwena Let's go. Seriously. Ona no ke bapala monna. O roka teng wa tseba sefoko.
Yeah, ke ntsembu moli.
Ka eng? Ka o roka.
Ke tsa di-tattoo.
Tattoo. E go bana jang le o roka sefoko.
Na le.
He bathumba wa nhlolla wa tseba. Wa tseba wa nhlolla. Hai man, ebile wena ke utlwile ka ntho tse di tsubang.
Snake,
my lady.
Yeah, this snake, my lady, this snake, my lady, this snake, my lady, this snake.
Hey, mama. Hey, you are lazy, Jay.
Sorry, baby. It's just that I had a very stressful day. I don't know if you'll like to interview.
Oban.
Let's go.
They got the meal, eh?
Hey, baby. I was thinking I need to find someone soon. I had you all as it again. So let's give me the deadline. Get a job, so go for like it's not time to start.
I'm not stressed, baby. Who's override?
Me like a stress. School fees sabana, that's rock. The textbook sabana, how are the data?
And you check on my mistake on inside, how?
Bubene, eh? Say you, Jaffa, why is it nix?
I think St. Crumishan is override.
Sense the combo I want.
Umbo told him 7 and as in into like a override as play like I'm not.
Change. Change in with fair and be right about what's the fellow change the channel that's
Stand. As a move of surprise.
Surprise!
Man.
Kim Bugo surprise.
Marayin, hello, Baba.
Ako sa pulo din man.
Ay, nyakwenza ano nje? Nyakwenza ano so?
Okay, ngekho kancane before ngivula le. Makot. Fake fridge.
This is my story. This is my diary. This is how it goes.
Ngiyacela abantu ngiyacela ungabe khona umuntu ozongena lapha eyishibhomo
Ucabanga kanjani lekhanda lakho? Asinamali ngisesokola uyahamba uyodakwa wena.
Hayi mina ngithi bengofuna umsebenzi.
Kuphi eshipini?
Awukahle manibheki man.
No, irresponsible mfethu. Uxolisa nenkosikazi wami. Awuna like angazi usebenza kanjani. Irresponsible man buke man.
Uyazi ngidlu legamelele ngini. Mathona mawukwate kanje mawungixosha.
No, hamba no, akukhona ka no. Hello babe, hello ma.
I made a clock.
Lihle mntanami, hamba ubonisa umama wakho ne.
What's wrong with my room?
Hayi, sikhathele leka busy mini yonke man. And hamba ubonisa umama wakho.
Why can't you stay?
Uzoride. Hamba ubonisa umama wakho wash man.
Okay, Marapin, turn to your bathroom.
Ay, shani isa.
Baba, ushile, baba.
Ngimbulele.
Modwen sisi. Oh, dumela ausi. Ninjani? Ke teng wana o kae? Ha ndi khona. I haven't utlile for interview. kopotle ka usane useng sense ke qetile for today.
Oh, hayi man nansi kandizela ngaloo nto torhwane.
Oh,
ndiyalahleka wena ndifunana kamna kwaNdlovu.
Okay, handlovu tshwanetse o tsamaye straight ne? And then ka right o tlo bona face break.
All right.
After face break, ntlo face break, o na le passage ausi o kena ka yona.
Okay, hayi ndiyabona inkosi sisam.
Hayi, all right.
Yo, sisam. Inhlele material ke.
Oh, right.
Hey, isephithi ba usayifumana ngomayimayikeli. Awusayifumana tu ufumana ntoni uthola imbiza kuphela ngaba bayachata ngaba bayaphalaza bayenza yonke into
Kimuka bofela waya. Shako nje uthe something karuka.
hayi kaloku ilife yami lemntaka bawo ndandiyenza loo ndiseliqobo kazanzi akhule
And then the experience yona ukile wasebenza ke?
hayi bendilapha enantsini curtains
No.
Oriental Plaza.
Umaka uyayazi ke rata pap.
hayi
Bonyane such a picture bakwetsi ne?
eyishanyani bona nje khawusho ndesika so now uyayazi wethu ngothunga wethu
Wethu nna ke na le business ya ka ya uroka.
Uyaxoxa.
Apa diaparo.
hayi wena
Mithiro ke kopamsa.
dlala
Hey, mara jwale di-orders di a pile pati di kae? Ke batla motho o tlo nthusang.
nne
Mamela, wa ba sampe number ya hao and then ha ke batla thuso ke tla o founela.
hayi wena licebile
Wa bona he ntho di a iketsa jwale.
Sandege Sagido.
So Thandeka, my baby, nenne jwang tsela hao today? Skolo. Just fine.
Yeah, angeke ngicela ukuthi ngiseklasini ne-love of my life uJJ. Imagine.
Well, like nenne interesting.
It's unfair. No one ever asked how my day was.
I'm sure it was colorful.
Portia bought me a suit with her money, so I'm going to have to buy her something tomorrow.
I understand that. I get tricky, okay, it's my manaka. Take shop. How we fuman? Who did the rigs?
And then when I was happy to Bambilotona.
You won't believe what happened today.
What's that?
I found the perfect candidate.
Hey, down your phone pants. You.
Hey, Shani there. Just tell me no malum. Hey, Makoti, what's for dinner?
Malum.
Hey, dinner. Uchile no dinner. Uyazi nakuthi nje usofuna amadina.
Xa yini mara wena yini? Yazi ukuthi ngimdala kuwe wena. Fanele usifundise ukuthi umrespect mina.
Respect yena baba uma uyithole nje. Awusebenzi wena, wena.
Ubaba nomalume basalwa, mama uthole perfect assistant yakhe, and me, I am in the same class as uJJ.